Welcome to ReactJS course. In this channel, you are going to learn basic to advanced concept of ReactJS. What is React? React is a JavaScript library created by Facebook for building user interfaces, particularly for single-page applications. It allows developers to create reusable UI components, which can manage their own state and be composed to build complex user interfaces. React is a JS library, not a framework? You're absolutely correct. React is a JavaScript library, not a framework. Here's a quick explanation to clarify. React, it is a library specifically designed for building user interfaces, UIs. It focuses on the view layer of an application, allowing developers to create reusable UI components. React is lightweight and doesn't enforce strict rules or structures, which is why it's considered a library rather than a full-fledged framework. Frameworks, these like Angular or Vue.js, typically provide a more comprehensive solution, including tools for routing, state management, and more. Frameworks often dictate the structure and flow of your application. React's flexibility is one of its strengths, as it allows developers to integrate it with other libraries or frameworks to suit their needs. What is SPA? A single-page application is a web application that interacts with the user by dynamically rewriting the content of the page rather than loading entire new pages from a server. This results in faster navigation and a smoother user experience since most resources like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are only loaded once. In SPAs, the navigation is handled on the client side using JavaScript, and React is one of the most popular tools to build such applications. What is Virtual DOM in React? The virtual DOM is an in-memory representation of the real DOM elements. Instead of interacting directly with the real DOM, which can be slow and costly in terms of performance, React creates a virtual representation of the UI components. This virtual representation is a lightweight JavaScript object that mirrors the structure of the real DOM. Why use the virtual DOM? Performance. Direct manipulation of the real DOM is slow. The virtual DOM minimizes these operations. Declarative UI. React developers describe what the UI should look like, and React handles the how efficiently. Cross-browser consistency. React abstracts away browser-specific quirks in DOM. The introduction chapter of ReactJS is complete here. The next video will guide through the step-by-step software installation process across platforms.